This is my pepper steak stir fry. It's bold, saucy, and perfect with rice. I start by slicing the steak. And I season it with oyster sauce, soy sauce, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, hot paprika, and a splash of rice vinegar. I let them marinate while I prep everything else. I slice all my vegetables first so everything cooks fast. Hot oil in a pan. Stir fry the beef on both sides until browned. Then remove it. In the same pan, I add butter. I add garlic, onions, and the white part of the green onion. Next, the peppers. I cook them briefly. I want them colorful, not soft. I add the steak back in, then I pour in my mixed sauce. Stir and let it thicken. Adjust with pepper if needed. Add a little water or stock if needed. Finish with sesame oil. I actually forgot this step, but it still tastes great. Top with green onions and add some sesame seeds if you like. Serve over rice and enjoy.